We never looked at the Hunter as an entry-level motorcycle that deserved entry-level accessories. So when we had to design a saddle stay for the Hunter, we did it in style. It's constructed from a 16mm pipe with 2 chassis fitments and a stabilizing crossbar that gives it a rigid construction. The main frame is this single tube that wraps around this beautifully designed perforated plate that also offers additional mounts for a jerry can or your soft luggage. It's definitely going to prevent your soft luggage from fouling with your moving tire, but it's also going to make your motorcycle look really cool when you don't have any luggage on it. It's coated in this UV protected satin black powder coat that gives it this really premium finish and a long last protection. Now you usually find a part this robust on an adventure motorcycle and not on an entry level motorcycle like the Hunter. But what stops a Hunter motorcyclist from being an adventure rider? So don't settle for just any old saddle stay. Get a Vardenchi saddle stay for your Hunter today.